If you're looking to create a membership website with SuiteDash, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can do that using SuiteDash's powerful platform, which offers a ton of functionality, but not without its fair share of challenges. Let's start with the first thing you need to know about SuiteDash, its all-in-one approach. SuiteDash combines client portals, CRM tools, project management, and yes, membership site creation all in one place. While this can sound great, some users find it overwhelming at first. The learning curve is a bit steep if you're not familiar with this type of software, but for those who take the time to dig in, the payoff can be huge. The next thing to understand is how SuiteDash handles memberships. It's fairly straightforward to create different membership levels, giving you control over who accesses which content. You can set up your membership tiers with custom pricing, access rules, and even special benefits like discounts or exclusive resources. But if you're looking for more complex features, SuiteDash's membership capabilities might feel a bit limiting compared to some of its competitors. You won't find built-in support for advanced membership models or extensive customization without using workarounds. Now, let's talk about integrations. SuiteDash offers a wide range of integration options with popular tools like PayPal, Stripe, and others. This is great for automating payments and making sure your members' transactions are smooth. However, some users have noted that the integration setup can be a bit clunky. It's not as intuitive as some other platforms, and some additional configuration is often necessary to get everything syncing properly. But once it's working, it can save you a ton of time managing payments and access. The fourth thing to consider is the design. When it comes to styling your membership site, SuiteDash gives you a lot of flexibility on the surface. You can adjust layouts and colors, but it doesn't have the same level of design sophistication as more dedicated platforms like WordPress with membership plugins. If you're someone who wants a beautifully designed, high-end website, you might run into a few limitations with SuiteDash's built-in design options. You might find yourself needing to hire a developer or use third-party tools to get things exactly the way you want. Another key point to mention is the support. SuiteDash does offer support through tickets and their knowledge base, but the response times can be inconsistent. And while the knowledge base is helpful, some users feel it doesn't cover every edge case, especially if you're building a highly customized membership site. For more complex issues, you may end up needing to reach out multiple times. Finally, what's the catch? Well, as I've mentioned, SuiteDash's all-in-one approach might seem tempting, but it's not always the best choice for everyone. If your goal is simply to create a membership site with advanced features, seamless integrations, and modern design templates, you might want to explore other platforms first. Now, here's the good news. I've got an exclusive offer for you today. While SuiteDash can work for membership sites, I've also discovered a few alternatives that I believe do a better job for this specific goal. These alternatives offer more flexibility, better design, and smoother user experience. And the best part? They come with their own free trial, so you can test them out before making a decision. So, if you want to explore these alternatives and get the best possible deal, check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to extended free trials and benefits that you can't get anywhere else. So, make sure to grab that before it expires. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out those alternatives to see which one works best for your membership site needs.